Right. 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 So this is gonna be short live. Kuno Maxensen. As you can see from the title here, or tip, set your standards as high as possible. Actually, put something here. Ooh, present, right? Set your standards as high as possible and don't settle for less, right? You're allowed to do that. You can set your standards as high as possible without even allowing yourself to settle for less. What do I mean? Uh, Even on your job, right? The moment you feel so comfortable with mediocre, it becomes rega kugutsikana nesituation yaunayo, and don't limit yourself, especially kuma weaknesses akho. Or like so many people would say, you are allowed to dream big. Dreaming is the only thing that you can do. Dreaming, honestly, if you want to dream a mansion, dreaming has no limits. Dreaming has no limits. So you can dream and you can achieve. In your dream, you can achieve anything you want. So why limit yourself in your dream, in what you want, like you want to achieve, right? So I would say, I think Habakkuk says, is it Habakkuk? I think there's a verse in Habakkuk that says, write your vision down and what. I can read it. Let me. I like. I'm not a preacher, but I want to. It's Habakkuk something. I want to check it. The Habakkuk. So Habakkuk is actually telling us that you can dream. I think you can dream. You can write your vision. Uh, mm, Let me write Habakkuk. Then I say vision. Maybe it will come up. Like Habakkuk 2 verse 3 says, for the vision awaits an appointed time. It testifies of the end. I wanted where it says write down your vision, something. I think there's one that says write down your vision. I almost spoke about this. Habakkuk 2 verse 3. Habakkuk, I say right. The vision, yeah, no. Habakkuk 2 verse 2. Yeah, it's easy. Habakkuk 2 verse 2. So Habakkuk 2 verse 2. Habakkuk is a funny book, right? This was God speaking, right? All those people watching now are Christians, so this is for Christians, right? Habakkuk 2 verse 2. English Standard Version. And the Lord answered me. So this is God speaking. So anything that God has said, I respect because it's God speaking. God. There's no one bigger than God. So it says, write the vision, make it plain on tablets, so he may run who reads it. That's smart. Write the vision, make it plain on tablets, so he may run who reads it, right? Let me take an example. You're writing a vision. You write the vision of a guy you want. I want a guy who's like this. I want a guy who's like that. And I want a guy who's like that. And I want a guy. As a woman, you should have 10 good points or visionary points for your man if you're single, future man. Write the vision down, make it plain on a tablet so that he he may run who reads it. This revelation, I'm not a preacher, but and I don't want a revelation, but write a vision down clearly, inscribe it on a tablet so that a herald may run with it. But this one, this is a Berean Standard Bible. I'm wanting this on the English Standard Version. It says, write the vision, make it plain on tablet, so he may run who reads it. Run going where? Kutiza. I'll interpret it this way. If it's wrong, guys, put dislikes there. But I'm saying here, you're a sister, right? Write the vision emunhu uri kutsvaka. Kana ane mabentley, write it down. You write kuti ndoda murume akadai akadai akadai. Put it plain. Put it in your wall in your bedroom. Put it plain. Bah, there. Or when a guy asks you out, make it plain. Read it. This is what I'm looking for. Pamurume is. So he may run who reads it. So basically what he's saying is that munhu ngaavhunduke. Kuvhundutsa munhu ndazvazvanchoga kuti munhu atize. He may run who reads it. So this is funny. I like this verse. I never knew that verse says Habakkuk 2 verse 2. Honestly, write the vision, make it plain on a tablet, on tablets, which means not one, different tablets. A tablet was something like this. She board, like they didn't have diaries then, so they had a board like Nyora. So you'd write a vision there on tablets, different ones. One kitchen, one sitting room, one bedroom. A guy visits you. Anoveringa so when he reads that vision, 10 points or 20 points, whatever, sky is the limit. You're allowed to dream. So he may run who reads it. And that opens up. Kamari, don't settle for less. Iwe, nyora vision. Ndoda mukadzi akadai. Wese achaverenga izvozvo zvaunenge wanyora. Kana zvisipo pari, they will run. He who reads it will run. Don't waste your time. The reason why you guys get people to waste your time, you don't write your visions down. Murume even angooneka dhika kaya anongoita anongofunga nde chance, because you allow them into your life. You allow them nekushaya vision kwako. Munhu anouya mulife mako ngopinda. Hauna vision. Murume wemunhu chaichai, murume wemunhu akakuwana usina vision, anorara newe achidzokera mukadzi wake. So ukasetla for years and years iye ane mukadzi wake achisetla newe. So this was a revelation. Shamari, write down your vision, make it plain on tablets, so he may run who reads it. Asatati ndokuda. So ukamubvunza, what do you do, how old are you, iwe it's those questions. Oh, you can ask a woman how old. I will ask you, how old are you? If you don't fit what's written on the tablet, you run. Run who reads it. Wakauya ndokuda kuti ndikuda mudzimai akati sei, ndoda mudzimai ane structure yakadai. So anoita. Kana usina structure iyoyo, usingaende kugym kuti uite structure iyoyo, you will run. Yeah, that's what it says. That's the best. I'm just reading it here. Make it plain. New King Version. Okay, how do they? The Lord answered me and said, write the vision and make it plain on tablet. Don't write in cursive. Put capital letters or some plain. King James Version, right? Make it plain upon tablets, that he may run that readeth it. Run. Run. You either run with it towards me or run away. Mukasvika vakamudza kuti handidi mukomana asina course. Munhu achikuti ndokudai blazo, samutuka, muratidze vision. ratidza munhu vision yako. Kana uchida kuita vana 2 uchada here kuita vana 2? Yes, ndoda kuzoita vana 2. Run, write it down, and the guy will run when he reads it. Kana asingafit it. Now, you know what? I'm gonna do this live again on Facebook. I think this is a very, very good revelation, and that one on. I'm not a preacher, please. I'm not a pastor. I'll repeat again. I'm not a pastor. This is just something that I just found now. So, kana usingade murume anohura, nyora kuti handidi murume achandihurira. And listen, even mukadzi ngazoti handide mukadzi achandihurira, ukandihurira ndokusiya. So she can run. He will reach that vision. Who run with blazer, abadi nonsense. Pudia abadi nonsense. Most of you guys, munosiya mana ex venyu muchinotora zviri worse than your ex. Iwe. Ex wako ngati achiona vision yako, so makasiyana last year, akauya akaona vision yako, she will run. Or he will run when he sees that vision. Listen, you Habakkuk 2. I just found it now. I'm not a preacher. Honestly, I'm not a pastor. Let me read Habakkuk 2. The Lord answered me and said, write the vision and make it plain on tablets, that he may run who reads it. Kureva kuti iwowo kana ndine vision yangu ndiri single. Yes, I'm single. But azvingoreva kuti kunhu anongouya pombe yadonho ongouya achingoti noda ndiri single, ongouya ongomirizika mirizika. No, read the vision. Ndakanyora vision 12, 15. Oh, wanyora zvawandisa haufa. Yes, it's in the Bible. And zviri ndigara sarora, but read my vision. If you don't run, then we are together. But he that he may run who reads it. Angoiverenga chete uchamanya achinde mubvunzei handisi ndiri kumbanya averenga vision yangu, but asi vamwe varume vari kukukurura hemba. They don't even deserve that. They go home achiti omana aya ndine lake wakomana ndine ndakakurura chini ndine mukadzi kumba andozvidza ndine mukadzi, but honestly andondishedza andouye kumba kwangu for service aritofunga kuti arondishandisa miwi amai havana vision avo. Handifi ndakasiya mukadzi wangu ini anakachitodero mumind make. Handifi ndakasiya mukadzi wangu. Kana angadai akasiya mukadzi wake kudhara for you, kana wanga wari better than mukadzi wake angadai akakusiya, he is using you because hauna vision. You haven't written your vision down. That guy is taking advantage of it. That company that you're working for right now is taking advantage of you because you don't have a vision. You haven't written it down. Or I will tell my company, listen, I can't be comfortable. I deserve more, right? So I'm gonna write my vision. This is what I want to achieve in 4 years time. Iwe wachonatonupa 1,000 pounds uona wakanyora zvinhu zvinoda zvinhu munhu achatibira uyu munhu ika uyu aiwa ngabve pano pabasa munhu andotibira bhajeti yake yari kunyora paisquid. Yes, so that they can run. Kana vakasarana vachikuda, they will find you a position, you know, ukwire towards. Listen, some of those companies are keeping you low because they know kuti hauna vision. You just wake up, you're comfortable with their pay, you're comfortable, they just make you jump, you're comfortable in that relationship. The husband goes to it. Unoona murume anonetsa nditanga sei anomboenda kubhawa kurumidza kudzoka autauri chinhu, oenda futi kubhawa mangwana kudzoka na 11 aupopoti, oenda futi kubhawa ozodzoka na 3 aupopoti, haumuudze. Iwe mukadzi wauri kudana naye, musikana kudana, mupe maconditions, muudze shama inini newe ka tinofanirwa kudanana nenzira yekuti this is a vision handinayo. If you're in doubt, run. You are settling for that mediocre person because I want a vision. Write that vision down, and when you do that, God comes. Ukanyora vision, nyora kuti ndoda Bentley papa pone mwari vano with time. I'm saying this. When I was 1986, I wrote something down. I didn't know about this. I just wrote it down. Ndichaenda Britain 1986. I only one relative in the UK and we were not very close. 1986, and I wrote ndichaenda Britain, And when people in class were used to say, oh, even funny, I was wearing I used to say, no. Ask the people who went to school with me. I was one of the noisiest in class. And people used to say, and I used to tell them, no. You still wear British Airways overseas, something. I don't know why I used to say that. I just used to say that. Vision iyo yakangonditeerawo. Haisi coincidence. Keep confessing those negative things and uchaona zvichiitika. Write the positive things. Something that you can't even afford. I want to lead the country. Write down that vision. Vanoda kutonga nyika vakakuona, they will run. That he may run who reads it. Handina waida verenga mberi mberi ndokugumira ipapa kuti that he may run who reads it. If you want, I can go Habakkuk 2:3 zvichienda. But here, okay, I'll find it. Let me say Habakkuk 2:32 verse 3. No, 2 part 3. Right? I didn't want to go further, but maybe let me just go further, right? It's a New King James Version, right? Right. So, part 2, part 3, here, for the vision is yet for an appointed time. But at the end, it will speak. It will not lie. Anyway, that vision right there. Hansi, for the vision is yet for an appointed time. I just critical now, right? But wakainyora vision iyo vision yonyore. Hansi, it will not lie. Kwede yanyorwa namwari. This is your vision. Your vision. This is God speaking. Your vision. I'm not a holy person or what? Iwe. Not any holy person. Iwe. For the vision shall speak and not lie. And though it tarry, ikaita senge yarashike, tarry means ikaita senge isinge, wait for it. This is God speaking. Wait for it. Because it will surely come. Listen, this verse that the Lord said, so this is God who said it. So God does not lie. Imimi murutokanganisa kusanyora mavision enyu. Wait for it. It will surely come. It will not tarry. Thank you so much for watching this. Shamari, go back to the drawing board. Write your vision down. Listen, don't be embarrassed by what you write. It's your vision. Akauya asina, he will run that. Machines Omega. What will affect the person who reads it should not affect you. Ndinoda mudzimai akadai ane structure akadai ane mabhuku akadai ane mari yakadai nepay akadai ane vision yakudai anoda vana 2 unomutauro wega iwewe zvisingafiti paari unongomona he will run. Iye asina vision unongoona ega achisuduruka murelationship menyu imomo achasuduruka ega. Munhu iye unongomona achienda ega akasatoenda achimhanya he will run. Zadero, at that point when the person runs away, it will look like that thing Kim just mentioned. That vision is set for an appointed time. By who? By God. But in the way it's not set by you, it's set by God. The moment you write it down, it's set by God. But at the end, it will speak. The vision will speak. Wanyora mavara, but mavara achataura, not you. The vision that you wrote there will speak. And it will not lie. So yokanyora ndoda munhu ane divinity wanyora, it will speak. And it will not lie. So be careful what you write. Nyora zone. Don't limit yourself. Don't limit yourself. I'm not limiting myself. And that vision I write. Though it tarries, Ika doesn't give a woman. When you look at your vision, sometimes up and a woman up. Though it tarries, hands wait for it. Which means you're not going to die before you see it. because it will surely come. That's God saying. It will not tarry. But though it tarries, though it tarries, though it tarries, what wait for it? Because it will surely come. It will not tarry. It will not tarry. But it won't tarry. It will not tarry. This is the best life you will ever listen to. Don't limit yourself. Even with grade 6 nyora degree quit. I never knew I was gonna end up with a master's. My teachers, there's teachers who wrote comments my report in form 1, form 2 when I was very naughty, always on punishment. The teachers were writing all the nonsense and all this, but the vision. Now I'm teaching people here. If I want, I can even end up a pastor, because this revelation is not an easy revelation. This revelation andisokutamba nayo. Revelation chaiyo yekuti vafundisi vamwe vagona kuiparidza revelation yauya pandiri. Iwe don't play. Write your vision down, for the vision is yet for an appointed time, but at the end it will speak. Vision yako achauya so vanako mfesi uyu akatiudza kuti anoda mukadzi uyu mukadzi wanaye uyu. It will speak. Vision yako it will speak. Akati ndichachata iye munhu achichata kumafoti. Yes, akati ndichachata, akataura, akanyora pasi. Serious, ndakatora picture. Mazano kune picture. Anouya achitora picture mbuku kuti tembai vanogwara vava vaisa zvinhu 15 zvavanoda pamurume. Iwe wangu wachitika zvingani 3. Ndamusiya. Don't panic, because Bible rakataura kuti they will run. Shamari, if you're a single person right now, don't limit yourself. Write your vision down. So that he will run. And thank you so much, guys. I don't want to spoil this live. Thank you so much. It was so good talking to you. But you want a video, you like it, you can share it. My name is Handy Leon Mapira. My channel is it's got 1 million views. It's a simple channel. I'm not trying to make it big. It will get big. This channel, it will get big because I've got a vision. It will get big. Even if YouTube close it, this channel will get big. It's not easy to have 1 million views. Go and check my channel right now. It's got 1 million views. Just 1.5, close to 1.5 followers. But if you check the views there, they're over 1 million. It's not easy. You try it. You can open your channel right now. So it's a vision. Though it tarries, and wait for it will certainly come. It will not delay. That's the version from New American Standard Version. I like the King James Version because it says, for the vision is yet for an appointed time, but at the end it shall speak, not lie. Though it tarry, wait for it, because it will surely come. It will. Shamari, if someone blocks you, don't cry. If your boyfriend blocks you, if your partner blocks you, if your company is stuck, they will run. Because vision, they will run. But your vision will not run and stay with you. Though it tarries, wait for it, because it will surely, this is God saying, it will surely come. So God does not lie. God says it will surely come. It will not tarry. So you go and do it yourself. The name, write down. So I will not any 100. The sky is the limit. Sky is the limit. It's up to you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day. I'm not a pastor, but this is quite a revelation. Bye-bye.